That is the first time I have glitched through a rock like that. That was even almost a perfect path on the book. I'm saving that video. I want to see if I can duplicate that and then improve upon it. I wish I could skip this part.
Yeah, being able to glitch that mountain could have potentially saved you a lot of time right there.
55. Well, that was a full minute for intro. Because do you kind of know where your bunker was? Wow, there was a stick in that rock.
Yeah, I know where it is.
Yeah, so that stream goes all the way out to the ocean, and the bunker is right beside that stream.
Yep.
So if I kept going, if I never hit the water but ping ponged off the rocks.
Did you see what the guy did for the sub 8? How he got there?
Yeah.
Like how he skipped the mountain?
He didn't skip the mountain.
He skipped part of it, most half of it. Because he delivered this, you know, the part when you glitched.
Yeah, you
It's
climb
only
up
through the
and then
mountain.
you jump off it.
Yeah, and then you teleport.
Yeah, so that's what I do all the time. That's just the first time I've ever glitched through the rock. I kind of don't mind resetting though because I haven't even been told there's the code. So there's times like I can see about a quarter of the bar is between the code and my existing energy. That's kind of, I know I'm ahead of my normal run at the moment because of that. I love how as you reach the top, it's like, hey, learn the basics of construction. Press B. Oh, stop, 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 stop. I will take that happily. I don't know what's up. I can see my cursor. I really hope that doesn't glitch stuff. La yeet. The book was technically out there because I saw it in my hand and I saw my cursor. Wait, so have you watched the speedruns, Joe?
I'm watching it right now. I'm watching him go through hell. On that much, I feel on one monitor and on half a on the other.
Be a good book. I will take that.
Can you do it?
Oh, good book. Good book. I'm gonna take this book out for dinner after it gave me that landing. First try.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, that was so fast.
Nice.
I am getting these sticks first try. Did you see how they glitched through the wall beside the TV?
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh.
Dude, stop trolling me.
Uh-oh. Go to the right side of it instead.
I don't have sticks out. Are you kidding me? I could have held that for a few more steps. They book right here, but I keep landing in the lava. I don't know how they do it. Drop down, see the skeletons.
I saw him book through this.
Yeah, I don't know how they do that. And they book. Oh, I saved so hard.
Nice. Nice. Aw.
Okay, no,
You're here.
I'm so
You're here.
glad that caught me.
You're not gonna book it down here?
No, I
Too
die
low?
too often here. I need to practice with someone hosting, set a tent there so I can spawn, or just set a load point. Like, that's how they're doing it a full 2 minute faster than me. They know how to book that. Good book. Well, it was for a minute. Isn't the cave so different with the flashlight versus just the lighter?
Oh yeah. Sure.
Good book. Good book. Dude, they will like go at a 45-degree angle and skate this, and I don't know how. That should have killed me. This feels like an average run, but I think I'm gonna finish this sub 11 again. Oh, 100% sub 11. 1:30 ending, or 11:30 with the 55 start. That's what, 25? That's a 10:35, 10:36. Dang, I just beat my PR again. From
Alright,
10:41 down to 10:36. 5 seconds. Heck yeah. Dude, that was Calvin that made it in. So this screen only appears when our character waves his left hand. I wonder if he has some ability to control the powers. The whatever this was called. The box of power. It's Jabba the Hutt. Daddy! So the storyline, from what I understand it, is we're sent here to find the white-haired dude, Virginia.
The mom and Virginia, yeah.
Oh, the mom is in the book. The mom,
The
we
mom
found she died.
Yeah, she mutated.
Yep. But
And
like,
Virginia.
you saw the old dude come rescue you, right?
Yeah.
So I think somewhere along that line, he tells you, "I have a son. Please rescue my son." Because his son mutated, and he controls the mutation by going in the box. Because the issue with the first game was they could never control the mutations. I've probably seen those credits roll like 20 times tonight.